You are welcome to today's SAT maths class. For today, we have a question on inequality to take care of. And the question says, if 0 is less than or equals to x, less than or equals to y, and x plus y raised to power 2 minus x minus y raised to power 2 is greater than or equals to 25, what is the least possible value of y? Normally, when you come across this kind of question, what you're supposed to be asking yourself is, the introductory part of the question, which says f is if 0 is less than or equals to x, less than or equals to y, how is that information relevant to the question? So of what importance is that particular information? Well, let's look at it first. So let's start solving. We have x plus y raised to power 2 minus x minus y raised to power 2 greater than or equals to 25. So let's expand this. If we expand this, we get x squared plus 2xy plus y squared minus, let's expand this as well, x squared minus 2xy plus y squared, so greater than or equals to 25. So x squared plus 2xy plus y squared minus x squared, we open the bracket now, plus 2xy minus y squared greater than or equals to 25. So very quickly we can see that we can cancel out some terms. So this and this out, and then this and this out. And then we now have 4xy greater than or equals to 25. So we are looking for the least possible value of y. Okay, so now let's go ahead and make xy the subject of formula. So we have greater than or equals to 25 over 4. Now we are looking for the least possible value of y. Now normally when you have two values and then you are asked to find the least possible value of one of them, so the concept that is being tested there is the concept of maximum and minimum. So if I'm looking for the least possible value of y, then what I need to find is the maximum value of x that I can find. So this is where this particular information is relevant. We are told 0 is less than or equals to x, less than or equals to y. So that means the value of x is between 0 and y, with 0 and y inclusive. So the maximum value of x based on this information is y. So that means x equals y. So from here, this becomes y squared greater than or equals to 25 over 4. Then we are looking for y. Now, so, one major mistake that can be done here is to multiply the powers on both sides of the inequality by 1 over 2. Normally, when you are solving, you try as much as possible not to cancel the degree of an equation or of a term, because that may prove fatal to the question. So what we need to do now is to find the square root on both sides. So this y squared greater than or equals to square root of 25 over 4. So this is y squared greater than or equals to 5 over 2. Now the square root of y squared is the same thing as absolute value of y greater than or equals to 25. Oh, sorry. um, greater than or equals to 5 over 2. So now there are two cases involved here. Case 1, the first case 1, x is greater than or equals to 5 over 2. Then case 2, sorry, why am I writing x? It is y we are looking for. Sorry. So this is y. So this is y. So case two will be y is less than or equals to minus 5 over 2. Now, but from the information we have here, y is greater than 0. So which means y is positive. So it is this one that is relevant to the positive. So we take this and discard this other part. So that means y is greater than or equals to 5 over 2, or y is greater than or equals to 2.5. Now, the question says, what is the least possible value of y? So from this information, we know that if y is greater than or equals to 22.5, the least possible value of y is 2.5. So that becomes our answer. So thanks for coming to my channel for today. If you like what you have seen, like and subscribe to my channel. And until we meet again next time, bye bye.